These are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to a new shopping vlog. We're going to see tons of different places. We're going to see bags at Bottega, Fendi, Loewe, Balenciaga, Ferragamo, Valentino, Chloe, and I'm going to share with you what I got at Max Mara after I did a little bit of try on in store, what I bought, what I returned, and how it all went down. So let's get started. Now we're here at Bottega, where the prices are available, where I was able to show prices. I will display them on the screen as well. This small gemelli bag, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, reminds me a lot of the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoire, obviously with a Bottega spin on it with the basket weave leather, which I think is really nice. You can see I have yet to figure out how that little pouch opens. I do figure it out later in a minute or two when I go back to the bags on how to open the small pouch, but it's a little bit comical about how confused I was. This is another giant basket weave bag. I'm not sure I'm feeling that size of the weave. Here's the gemelli bag again, and yes, I figure out that there's a zipper on the underside of the small pouch. Okay, so it's a little bit weird, but definitely different and definitely interesting. More of a shoulder bag than a crossbody, so it is different in that way. Here's the famous Bottega pouch. This is kind of like a cork type of pattern to it, which is really cool, great for summer. Here's a couple of the Bottega Jody bags. This is in like the enormous size, which is probably a little bit impractical for me, but I love that color. This is a very soft denim on the Jody bag. Next, we're at Givenchy, and there's some interesting bags. I would say definitely very classic in its style, nothing too loud or crazy. I don't know the name of this bag, but it's definitely a variation of the Antigona. It's not with the zipper, but it has a magnet opening. It is a very heavy bag. Look at that lock. It is very substantial. That lock is super heavy, but the overall bag is also very heavy. I find it, especially in this burgundy color, I find it really pretty against that gold hardware. It's a bit edgy, but still classic looking. But it is a heavy bag and it has nothing in it, so you can only imagine how heavy it gets when you put your items in it, but it's also very bulky, so keep that in mind. I'm not sure what the name of this bag is, but I have to say I really love it. I love the silhouette. I really love a vertical and narrow tote bag. And this one especially seems very practical and just really usable and very user-friendly. I really like the belt detail in the front. I know it's very simple and not that special if you think about it, but I don't know, there's something really nice about it and luxurious. I really love that interior. I don't know if it's suede or if it is microfiber, but it's really nice inside. So they come in different sizes. This black one is a much larger size, but they also come in the mini size. And that's also very practical. Even these very mini sizes, like I feel like this is still quite practical. Next, we're at Ferragamo. We're looking at a few of those hug bags. I really don't know if I feel these. There's something weird and cartoony about it with like the arms hugging around it that I'm not feeling. I really like these classic bags for crossbodies. Now we're at Chloe, and of course they're known for their Marcy bags. These are their saddle bags, and this is the crossbody style, which is really cute. There is a larger size, which I'm going to show you right here, and someone said a long time ago that it reminded them of a toilet. And ever since they said that, I couldn't unsee it. And it does look like a toilet seat. The larger ones, I can't unsee it. And I can't remember who said that, but it was like years and years and years ago where someone said it. And I was like, you're right. I can't buy that. I can't unsee that. So that's what I think about the larger Marcy bags. Here are some of the classic beautiful totes, which they do go on sale. I believe I saw some on sale on 24S at the moment for the holidays. And these are on reduced sale, which I can see why. It's very niche, but doesn't it remind you of the friendship bracelets that we used to make when we were like in elementary school in the 80s? You had to do the knots, and like that's what this bag reminds me of. That's a friendship bracelet bag. Next, we're in Balenciaga. I'm going to show you some of the ugliest bags. I will say that this raffia style tote bag is really cute. It's kind of like that city bag style, but with raffia like bucket bag kind of vibes. But I will say, controversy aside, Balenciaga bags these days are pretty ugly. They are pretty bad, and there's nothing about any of these bags, again, controversy aside, that aesthetically is pleasing in any way. These are not it. And I can see why Kering is struggling, because Balenciaga is totally not pulling their weight. But here they are. I'm going to show it to you because it is here. I used to love and obsess over their city bags from the early 2000s. It was a bag that I've always wanted for so many years back then. They need to like come back out with that in its classic reissued version. If you ever had or owned the city bag back then, or still own it, or still love it, then let me know in the comments, because that's like that one silhouette that I've always loved. So I think all these hourglass sized bags really are going to have poor wear on them because of the way they're shaped, with the base of it curved and so pointy like that. I don't think that they're going to wear very nicely over time. However, I will say that this bag here with the clasp, this is so unlike Balenciaga. It's very clean and classic, and I love that. We are here in Valentino, and there's some fun crochet bags and giant rock stud bags if you want something that's a little bit more edgy and grandma-ish. So edgy and grandma, that's kind of like me. But here's some of the giant rock studs if you're into that. These are on sale. Valentino does go on sale pretty often, I feel like. Here are some more crescent shaped bags, which are kind of fun. There are also some more classic bags like these saddle bags, which are really nice. I have to say I don't have any Valentino bags or anything Valentino in my collection accessory wise whatsoever. So yeah, I don't know why. There's actually no real reason. Here's another giant rock stud bag on a shoulder bag style. I will say that these giant rock studs definitely reminds me of Bowser from Super Mario Brothers. This is when you know you have kids, but I also did play Super Mario Brothers when I was a kid too. So I think we all recognize the Bowser vibes there. Okay, Loewe. Let's go to Loewe. Yeah. But I kind of like the length. These are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I love that. But they're like $600 bucks. Yeah. The pink elephant. So cute. So this is me trying on the Pochette Matisse in the backpack version. So I did not wear it in the backpack way. What she did was she took the two straps where you could make it a backpack, which is these two twist or braided chains, and connected them together to make it a shoulder bag. So this is how it looks when you connect them together. So it's just a different option of how you can connect the chains together. So this is the day where I bought my mini Fendi baguette in this style, and this is when I was debating between the mini baguette in this style and wearing it in different ways with the chain, and also debating it against the same print but in the pouch version, which I'll show you. In the end, it was a good call. I got the right bag. And I'm glad that I had the chance to try on both because they were both serious contenders for me. Look at this gorgeous fuchsia pink color in the sequins. It is so beautiful and the color is excellent. I just don't think I can pull off a sequin bag like this, especially the waterfall style. I feel like they'd all get bent and I would just be too worried to wear it, although they are so gorgeous. Look at this color. This olive color is a new color this season and it is so pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna go to Max Mara, and this is where all of it begins. So I try on this beautiful Max Mara teddy coat. I love it in this navy color. And I do have some regret that I didn't get it, but I thought I already have a navy coat, so I didn't want another one, which is why I walked away from it. But I knew my size, it was X small, and I just wanted to wear it once again just to make sure that I was extra sure that I liked the fit and how it looked on me. So this is me trying it on. Is this a new color? This is a new color. Oh, I love this color.
I love this color.
But this is a beautiful color.
I love this color because it has a bit of a gray and a white
Yes.
fur and a blue fur, so it's a nice and fun color for me. If you allow me, I can always bring you extra small to try it on.
So as I said, these are super expensive and I was waiting for them to go on sale. I would not buy it full price. So I did go home and I went on Satire.com and I found it on sale, and I found it in the white color, which is what I ordered, and it did come. And this is me trying it on at home, and I have to say, I got the white because I wanted something like a bright white, like a winter white. It was fresh, it brightened up my face, it was not depressing, and I just thought it was a happy color for the winter. And then when I put it on, it just felt like I was a polar bear, and it just didn't feel the same way as, I don't know, it just didn't give me all the feelings. And even though it was half price of what was being sold in store, I just thought I can't do it, and I had to return it. So I did keep it for a few days just to make sure, you know, I had a clear head and I, you know, didn't feel anything differently. And in the end, I don't know. I don't think this is it. I mean, does it look that bad? Well, if it's not a hell yes, then it's a no, and judging by the look on my face, it was returned.